The Ultimate Travel Guide, How to Plan the Perfect Trip and Stay Safe on the Road Part 1. Are you ready to embark on the adventure of a lifetime? Traveling is an exciting and enriching experience, but it can also be overwhelming, especially if you're not properly prepared. In this video, we'll show you how to plan the perfect trip, pack all the essentials, and stay safe while on the road. Follow these tips and you'll be ready to conquer the world. Let's get started. Part 1. Planning the perfect trip. Set your budget and stick to it. Determine how much money you have to spend on your trip and allocate your funds wisely. Choose your destination wisely. Consider factors like cost of living, climate, and local customs. Book your flights and accommodations. Look for deals and discounts, and don't forget to read reviews from other travelers. Get the necessary documents. Make sure you have a valid passport and any other necessary visas or vaccinations. Make a packing list. Write down everything you'll need for your trip, from clothes and toiletries to electronics and travel documents. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to planning the perfect trip and staying safe while on the road. Remember to always use your common sense and stay aware of your surroundings, and you'll have a great time no matter where you go. Safe travels and happy adventures. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, comment, share and click that little bell so you'll know when next video is